Sub-bass drones rise beneath the sound of steady rainfall and distant thunder. A solitary alto flute enters with a single wavering note. Wind sweeps across the mix like a spectral hand.
The flute plays a slow, descending pentatonic phrase, recurring at irregular intervals. Each note blends into reverb, fading like breath on glass. Subharmonic pulses underlie the melody, deep, tectonic, slow as ice shifting. A faint chorus of ghostly whispers enters, mouth syllables in no language, rising in the distance. The flute ceases, only rain in the drip of water from collapsing gargoyle heads. The flute returns, this time doubled an octave lower, muffled as if from beneath stone. A deep resonance wells beneath it, synthetic, organic, like frozen earth splitting. Higher flute notes now, fragile and searching, a harmonic cluster of cold metallic chimes. Frozen bells tinkle in stereo, far to the left and right. The rain intensifies slightly, thunder rumbles below the mix. The main theme returns now, harmonized in minor thirds and perfect fifths, sparse ancient layers of breath and ice cracks swallow. Last word, silence for two full measures. Then a single deep flute note, sustained on repeated fractures into a glitched echo. From beneath the slow glacial sub-bass drone begins to cycle, a primordial cycle accelerating over minutes. The flute returns with a variation, now using microtonal bends, suggesting something not quite human. Playing the rain now carries a faint metallic shimmer, as if touched by enchantment. Faint runes pulse deeper within the citadel. Full return of the main motif, now layered with the second flute playing a counter melody in canon. The chimes return, transformed into cracked hymn tones. The harmony is unresolved tense. The flute stutters fragments, rain continues. One final thunderclap, silence swallows all. But the final note lingers in reverb for 20 seconds, frozen mid-air.
A single faint whisper, claustrum frigus. Drones return, now softer, cycling the core motif at 1/8 speed, engineered for seamless 3-hour loop. Rain and wind continue endlessly. The Citadel does not rest. Sub-bass drones rise beneath the sound of steady rainfall and distant thunder. A solitary alto flute enters with a single wavering note. Wind sweeps across the mix like a spectral hand.
The flute plays a slow, descending pentatonic phrase, recurring at irregular intervals.